So today I'm going to provide an introduction to NASA's Earth Science program and the observation data available within our data systems. I'm going to show you about the data and the content available, showcase how to discover, access, and use the data, and then highlight some resources to get you started. So let's first take a look at how to access and use many of the Earth observation data available from NASA. We first have NASA Worldview, which is the visualization application that provides the capability to interactively browse full resolution satellite imagery layers. And most of the available imagery layers span multiple years and are updated within 3 hours of observation, essentially showing the Earth as it looks now. You can also go back in time, as you're seeing here, and also search and add layers via thematic areas or science disciplines. The back end of this application is the Global Imagery Browse Service, or GIBS, and that is openly available as a WMS, WMPS, AML, or API. We also have NASA's Earth Data Search, which provides the means for filtering, visualizing, subsetting, and downloading any of NASA's Earth science data holdings. And this includes more than 33,000 different data collections. In here, again, you can search by topic, collection, search by place name, and preview and retrieve the data files themselves. And these will typically come in as HDF or NetCDF file format. NASA also utilizes Esri's ArcGIS Online. We have over 2,300 content items that are publicly available, ranging from web services, maps, applications, story maps, and notebooks. NASA's Disasters program compiles resources into easily accessible apps that highlight interactive content that is specific to particular events going on. And we also have a DAC collaboration within our Earth Science data centers that are developing collaborative maps and apps across thematic areas, as seen here with drought and flooding. NASA has also been enhancing science communications with interactive story maps. These are becoming much more popular with different outreach teams, as well as the MyNASA Data educational team who develops interactive lesson plans, as well as the Develop program. Each year they have their program participants present summaries within these story maps, providing narration and context along with the data itself. NASA is also starting to contribute data to Living Atlas of the World. So content can be found in this global repository, either curated by Esri to create interactive layers, maps, and apps, or distributed as web services through our NASA Earth Data account. We also collaborate across many teams to contribute a chapter in the recent GIS for Science Volume 3, which focuses on mapping extreme events from space. This covers NASA's data and how it's used to explore and understand wildfires, flooding, drought, as well as rising temperatures. The online companion that's publicly available has many resources to help you explore in each of these areas. A newly developed ArcGIS image service, which was published by the Goddard Earth Science Data and Information Services Center, is being featured in upcoming outreach tutorials. These focus on assessing Hurricane Ida using NASA's GPM IMERG image service. This service estimates precipitation rates from multiple sensors and incorporates calibrations from rain gauges. The data is available at 30-minute intervals and updated every 3 hours and spans from the year 2000 to present and provides global coverage. So this is broken down into 4 different demonstrations. The first is showing how to view the image service and create a custom workflow within a Jupyter notebook. Here you can import raster tools from the ArcGIS library, display the data, specify a time, place, as well as an area of interest to then calculate statistics. The second showcase is how to navigate the service through the portal and bring it into a web map viewer. And here you will leverage the time enable capability to select a specific date and time of interest, adjust the symbology, apply processing templates, as well as highlight a new web app built with the ArcGIS image service. The third demonstration will show you how to connect to the service with an ArcGIS Pro and manipulate content to your custom needs, whether it be adjusting processing templates, changing the symbology, or creating new data value visualizations. Similar to the last demonstration, this will look at connecting to the service with an ArcGIS Pro and employing raster function templates and performing geoprocessing to filter to an area of interest as well as extract attributes of interest, to identify values, and then integrate additional feature services to spatially analyze the relationship between the 2 data products. And this is all without ever having to download a single data file, which is huge. It's a great benefit for users. So some other resources to help you get started in understanding how to use NASA data, because we know it's complex and we want to help you get started. The first thing is to start with the data pathfinders. So if you're new to using NASA Earth Science data, this is the perfect place to get started. These are guided walkthroughs of NASA data within their tools, and also highlights a specific pathfinder to GIS, where it looks at how to integrate web services. Pathfinders, as well as toolkits, are entry points to NASA's Earth Science and data resources organized by topics. So here you'll find specific data sets of interest, as well as tutorials, research publications, and other useful information to dig a little bit deeper. We also enhanced the NASA Earthdata GIS page, and this provides much of the content reviewed in this presentation, as well as links out to additional tutorials, data recipes, and highlights projects within NASA that implement GIS technology. NASA Earth Data Discovery and Access webinars span the entire Earth Science discipline domain and are designed to help users learn about NASA data, services, and tools. An online catalog is available to query for specific items of interest, and new webinars are hosted monthly. We also just added a new geospatial resources playlist, which can be found on the Earth Data YouTube channel. And we'll be adding new content as we create it. Lastly is the Earthdata Forum, and this was developed to directly engage with subject matter experts at NASA to discuss general questions, research needs, as well as data applications. So here you have the capability to search by discipline across major topic areas, specific usage, such as data tools. And this will allow you to query, access, and enable the community to better understand how to interpret the data to fuel your research. And through the open source science efforts, NASA is helping to create a paradigm shift in how science is conducted and expanding participation to a broader community more than ever before. This in turn will lead to greater opportunities for scientific discovery and societal benefit. So we hope you will come explore with us, and thank you for your time.